Hi guys, today's question is question number 2 from the LeetCode Weekly Contest 236, that is find the winner of the circular game. In this question, there are n numbers in a circular form and your task is to remove the kth element each time, start again with the element at its immediate right position, and this process will be continued till only one element is left and we have to print that last element. So in this question we can simply use circular linked list, and another simple way is to use queue. So here the approach is, suppose in this question n is given 5 and k is given 2. So I will initialize a queue here and also a counter variable L, which will be initialized as k minus 1. This counter variable is initialized so that in this case every second element is popped out, and before that the elements occurring before that will be popped from the queue and will be inserted at the back of the queue so that it can work in a circular form. So I have taken 1 2 3 4 5 as the elements in the queue, and now I am having L is equals to 1, so I will pop this element and will push at the back of the queue. Now I am having L is equals to 0, so I will simply pop this second element and will not push this at the back. So this element is now removed from the queue. Now again I will repeat this process, and here my L is equals to 1 again, and accordingly I will work. If this process will be continued till my size of the queue is greater than 1, and once my queue size is 1, I will be left with only one element, so that element will be our answer. So here is the queue, here is the code to my question. Here you can see I have initialized the queue. Here I have pushed the element in the queue. Now I have considered a loop here where my queue size should not be equals to 1, and once it is 1 once it is 1, I will get my answer and I will return that. Inside the queue I have counter variable L, which as I have said, I have initialized it as k minus 1. Now I have again considered a loop inside that loop, and in this loop I have decremented the value of L each time, so that each time my value of L is 0, I will simply pop that element and remove that from the queue, and elements occurring before that element will be simply popped from the front and will be pushed at the back. So here you will get your answer. Thank you.